Good morning from beautiful San Antonio, Texas. This is Sharon from the Stitching Kitchen. I'm here I'm going to be stitching with the Mirabilia Minions Retreat. It is a yearly event hosted by Miss Leslie LeFleur from Under the Sea Fabrics. It's going to be a wonderful event. We have lots of things planned and lots of stitching to do. So the Stitching Kitchen is on the road today, and we will be doing videos all weekend long and getting them to Richard so he can put them on our YouTube channel. That's why you're seeing me now. So I look forward to talking with you again and presenting this wonderful little mini vacation that the Stitching Kitchen's on in San Antonio, Texas. See you soon.